As I was scrolling through my feed, I came across this thumbnail. Earn $5 every 30 seconds with ChatGPT for free. Who wouldn't want to know more about this? So, I clicked on the video to get those money instructions. First of all, according to the video, the whole thing is going to be on autopilot. I don't need to show my face, I don't need any previous experience, and most importantly, I don't need to record any videos. Instead, I need to open up chatgpt.com and ask it for 30 different book genres. From these books, I may ask it again about what are the 3 books that people are most likely to read? Or what are the 3 most read books in any genre? For example, let's pick a make money online genre and ask what are the most read books in the make money online genre? After that, I want to visit the website called canva.com. From there, I'll create a social media post, somewhat like this one here, using the top 3 books I found from ChatGPT. The good thing about Canva is that it offers templates for any design you may want to create. Then, I move on to the juicy part. I use my social media accounts to post the 3 top books I got from ChatGPT. Luckily, I used to run this Instagram page, where I posted about expensive cars and planes, sharing details about prices, and the people who own them. I know that people who are into that kind of stuff would mostly likely be interested in books about how to make money, or books about motivation related to making money. So, I post my books and wait for the money. The video informed me that I can actually make money by referring these books through an Audible affiliate program. How does that work? I needed to sign up for the program, which was an easy task. Just read their terms, and it should be simple and fast. Audible is an Amazon company where you can get audiobooks. The program offers you $5 every time someone signs up for a free Audible subscription. Well, that is if they were referred by you. Using my Instagram page, I was able to post a lot of books on the account. I usually got up to 100 likes on my good days, meaning I had more impressions than the 100 likes. From those impressions, very few people visited my links to actually sign up for the free account. So, getting $10 was the best I could do in the very few days I tried this strategy. The strategy works, but if I'm being honest, you need a little more traffic to wherever you want to share your books or referral links. You need as many people as possible for those conversions.